Da, please.
Welcome to open it.
Oh, da, and tell us. Okay. Da. So, what is new in the room?
Yes. This is like VIP amenities, seasonal fruit, and the Moroccan pastry. Okay, we will bring white in Japan. This is your bedroom. The brown box is to adjust the light and also the close and open the blinds. This is international adapter and wireless adapter charger. This is the bathroom. Bathtub, showers separately. Toilets and Moroccan design and two sink. Have also weight and sandals, Havaiana sandals. This for complimentary. Also, you can connect with our new TVs for Netflix, YouTube, and yes, this is a new TV. We have a dressing room here. There is the domotic of the room. Here you can adjust the AC. Okay, now it's 23 degrees in your room. You can adjust it at your convenience.
Да, 22 is fine.
You can also open and close the blind for the bedroom and living room. And you can also adjust the lights in the salon and also in the bedroom from here. Otherwise, you have, this is your dressing room with a safety box and swimming pool deck, and we provide also a yoga mat inside deeply in the dressing room. This is the toilet for the guests.
Super.
You're welcome. I put one key here for electricity. You can use it.
Okay.
There is a second key for you. You can use this one as well.
Oh, super.
Okay. My pleasure, sir. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
He's the one.